What if I told you that this month, AI made a leap so big it could change everything we know about technology? From game-changing advancements in AI models to shocking new capabilities, these breakthroughs are reshaping the future faster than anyone expected. With AI evolving at lightning speed, it's almost hard to keep up. In today's video, we'll dive into OpenAI's latest groundbreaking announcements, Google's race to stay competitive, and a disruptive AI development that could change the landscape of the tech world forever. As AI continues to make waves across industries, these updates are not just technical innovations, but transformative moments that promise to impact businesses, society, and everyday lives. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a business professional, or someone just curious about what's coming next, buckle up. It's time to dive into the latest AI breakthroughs, including updates to ChatGPT, advancements from OpenAI, and exciting AI policy changes. So let's begin with the major AI breakthrough number 1, OpenAI's latest advancement. The spotlight this month undoubtedly belongs to OpenAI. Over the past few weeks, OpenAI has dropped some significant updates that have made waves throughout the AI community. One of the key announcements that turned heads was the release of the latest iteration of the GPT model, which builds upon the already impressive capabilities of its predecessors. While details were initially kept under wraps, OpenAI surprised everyone with improvements that pushed the boundaries of what AI models are capable of. The new GPT model brings better contextual understanding, enhanced creative capabilities, and improved response generation. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. This is a leap forward that significantly increases the model's accuracy in complex tasks like problem-solving, decision-making, and generating human-like text. What makes this advancement particularly exciting is the integration of newer technologies that allow the model to handle even more complex queries and interact in a more nuanced way with users. But it doesn't stop there. OpenAI's updates aren't just limited to the core GPT models. They've also expanded the functionality of ChatGPT by adding more customization options for users. Custom GPTs, which allow users to create their personalized versions of the assistant, have been gaining popularity. This new functionality has made it easier for businesses to implement ChatGPT into their customer service solutions or automate content creation, allowing them to cater to a variety of industries with unique requirements. Moreover, the integration of Sora, OpenAI's next-gen assistant, promises to enhance the user experience, making these tools even more versatile. The significance of these developments goes beyond technical improvements. For AI users and businesses, the implications are huge. Imagine a customer service bot that doesn't just answer basic questions, but understands your brand's tone, values, and specific product knowledge. That's the level of customization and power OpenAI is putting into the hands of its users. The real-world applications are practically endless, from streamlining operations in businesses to providing more effective and personalized experiences for consumers. Let's head towards major AI breakthrough number 2, Google's AI developments. While OpenAI might be leading the charge in AI advancements, Google is making sure it isn't left behind. Google's AI division has been ramping up its efforts, particularly with updates to its Gemini AI model. Gemini is Google's answer to GPT, and the company has been working hard to fine-tune this model to improve its natural language understanding and creativity. In recent updates, Gemini has shown dramatic improvements in its ability to process multi-step queries and provide more accurate and contextually aware answers, positioning Google's AI as a serious contender to OpenAI's offerings. But it's not just about language models. Google is also making huge strides in integrating AI across its vast array of products. Google Assistant, which has already revolutionized the way we interact with devices, continues to evolve with AI-powered enhancements that make it smarter, more intuitive, and capable of performing more tasks with greater accuracy. This month, we saw updates that integrate deeper context understanding, meaning your Google Assistant can better grasp follow-up questions, learn from previous interactions, and even predict what you might need based on your behavior. When it comes to AI search, Google has been experimenting with new ways to incorporate generative AI into search results. Imagine asking a question, and instead of getting just a list of links, You get a fully formed AI-generated answer based on an aggregation of the most relevant sources. This new form of search not only makes the process more efficient, but also changes the way we access information. It's a glimpse into the future of AI-powered web browsing and search, one where the AI understands and responds to your needs far more intuitively. The competition between OpenAI and Google is heating up. But one thing is clear, AI is now an arms race where constant innovation is necessary. Whether Google can catch up to OpenAI's GPT advancements or even surpass them is still uncertain. But the breakthroughs in Google's Gemini AI and other platforms are clear indicators that AI-powered tools are becoming more effective and integrated into our daily digital experiences. Next comes major AI breakthrough number 3. Unexpected or disruptive AI news. The AI landscape isn't just defined by the usual players like OpenAI and Google. This month, a truly disruptive breakthrough emerged from a startup in the AI field, and it's shaking up the industry in unexpected ways. This startup has unveiled a revolutionary AI model that can self-improve. While this may sound like something from a science fiction movie, it's now a tangible reality. The AI can modify its own code and algorithms, optimizing its learning processes autonomously, growing smarter and more efficient over time without the need for direct human input. This breakthrough, dubbed self-optimizing AI, has the potential to dramatically transform the AI landscape. On one hand, it could accelerate the development of even more advanced AI models. With the ability to self-teach, these systems could bypass the time-consuming processes of manual tuning and retraining, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI development. On the other hand, it raises significant concerns about control, regulation, and safety. What happens when an AI can evolve and adapt without human oversight? Could such a system eventually surpass human understanding? Or, more worrying, become uncontrollable? These questions will need to be addressed urgently as self-optimizing AI becomes more prevalent in both research and industry. In addition to this game-changing development, AI-powered robots have made remarkable advancements in humanoid robotics. These robots, once clunky and limited, are now more agile, responsive, and capable of performing highly complex tasks that were once exclusive to humans. Picture a robot that can walk, talk, and perform intricate tasks with fine dexterity and precision. This is no longer a futuristic concept, but a rapidly growing reality. The applications are vast. These advanced robots could become invaluable in fields such as healthcare, where they can assist in surgeries or care for the elderly, or in workplaces where they might handle dangerous or repetitive tasks. This development opens the door for AI-powered assistants to become integrated into everyday life, transforming how we live, work, and interact with technology in ways we've never imagined. The future of humanoid robotics is closer than ever before, and it's a future brimming with potential. Governments around the world are scrambling to introduce policies that can keep up with AI's rapid development. The European Union, for example, is considering new regulations that would impose stricter controls on AI's role in areas like job automation, data privacy, and even content creation. One particularly contentious issue revolves around copyright and AI-generated content. With models like ChatGPT being used to generate everything from articles to art, questions about intellectual property rights are becoming more pressing. Who owns the content created by AI? Is it the user who prompted the AI, the developer of the AI model, or perhaps no one at all? These are difficult questions that could shape the future of AI usage and its role in creative industries. Deepfake technology is also a topic of concern, with AI now able to create highly realistic fake videos that can manipulate public perception and cause harm. This has led to calls for tighter regulation on AI's ability to create synthetic media. As AI continues to develop, finding a balance between innovation and safety will be crucial to ensuring it benefits society without causing harm. In short, this month has been nothing short of thrilling in the AI world. From OpenAI's advancements with GPT models to Google's leap forward with Gemini AI and the disruptive rise of self-improving AI, it's clear that we're entering a new era of technology. But with these advancements come challenges, ethical concerns, regulatory debates, and the potential for unforeseen consequences. Which AI breakthrough excites or concerns you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the future of AI together. Don't forget to hit subscribe for next month's AI breakthroughs and stay updated on all the latest trends in the world of artificial intelligence.